In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a challenge on chess.com. Whether a friend has invited you or you've received an open challenge, this walkthrough will make sure you get into the game quickly and confidently. First, log into chess.com with your account. Use the official website in a modern browser or the official app if that's where you usually play. Make sure you're signed into the account where you receive challenges and that your internet connection is stable, so the game loads smoothly the moment you join. Next, head to your homepage or open the play section. This is where pending challenges are easiest to find. On the homepage, look for the area that highlights recent activity and challenges. It may show invitations from friends or players who've sent you a match request. In the play section, you'll see options to start a game, and nearby you should see a list or notification of incoming challenges. If you just got a challenge, you might also notice a small alert on the screen indicating there's a game invitation waiting. When you see the challenge you want to join, click View next to it. This opens the details so you can confirm exactly what you're accepting. Take a quick moment to check the time control, whether it's rated or unrated, the color assignment if specified, and the game type, such as standard chess or a variant. Reviewing these details helps you avoid surprises and ensures the match fits what you're prepared to play. On the game screen, click Accept. As soon as you do, the board will load and the clock will start. If you're playing white, it's your move right away. If you're black, the game will begin as soon as your opponent moves. Before you click Accept, make sure you're ready to focus for the full time control, especially for faster games where every second counts. Once you've accepted, keep an eye on your clock and enjoy the match. If you don't see any pending challenges, it likely means none are waiting at the moment or the invite has expired. Leave the home or play page open for a moment and watch for any new alerts, and when the right challenge appears, repeat the same process to jump in. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to home or play to find your pending challenges, click View to open the one you want, and hit Accept to start playing. If this was helpful, follow the same flow anytime you receive a new invitation, and you'll never miss a game you want to play.